welcome to Gurudeva online classes. Dear student, in previous class we solved exercise 4.2. Now in this class I am going to take more equation. Dear student, let us see first an example here. See example first. Solve 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. Dear students, let us see solution. See here LHS is 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. See first step here, adding 5 both sides. We have to add here both sides 5. Now 12p minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 25 plus 5. Now minus 5 plus 5 will be cancelled here. Now we are getting here 12p is equal to 30. Okay, next second step, step 2. Dividing 12 both side, left side and orange sides. Okay, now I am dividing here 12p both side. 30 by 12. 12 will be cancelled here. 6 2s are 12. 6 5s are completely cancelling here. Now I am getting here p value is 5 by 2. This is the solution. To check this equation is satisfied or not, let us see. We have to put here p value in equation first. Now see, I am putting the p value in equation first. P minus 5 is equal to 25. When we putting the p value in the equation first, we are getting here 25. 2 ones, when we cancelling 2 ones are 2 6s are here 12 will cancel. Now we have to multiply 6 into 5s are 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. When we doing the subtraction, 30 minus 5 we are getting here 25 is equal to 25. Now this is LHS and this one is RHS. Both are equal. Then we can say this equation is satisfied. Dear students, next I am taking your second example. Here, solve 4 in the bracket m plus 3 is equal to 18. This is the LHS and this is the RHS. Okay, now let us see solution. 4 in the bracket m plus 3 is equal to 18. Dear student, first step here, step 1, we have to divide here by 4. Divide by 4 on both sides. Now 4 in the bracket m plus 3 is equal to 18. When we dividing by 4 both sides, 4 will be cancelled here. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are. Now we are getting here m plus 3 is equal to 9 by 2. Okay, 9 by 2. We have m plus 3 is equal to 9 by 2. When we transfer from LHS to RHS, we are getting here m is equal to 9 by 2 minus 3. When we multiply here, m is equal to, see here, 9 minus 6 by 2. When we doing the subtraction here, we are getting here m is equal to 3 by 2. This is the solution. Dear student, to check this m value, we have to put in this equation. If LHS and RHS both are equal, then we can say that equation is satisfied. Now I will check here if it is satisfied or not. See, m value, when we putting the m value 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 18. Now, when we multiply 4 3s are 12 by 2 plus 4 3s are 12. Now, we are getting here 18. 2 1s are 2 6s are 6 plus 12 is equal to 18. 6 plus 12, when we adding, we are getting here 18 is equal to 18. LHS and RHS both are equal. Then we can say that this equation is satisfied. Let us see next example here. Minus 2 in the bracket x plus 3 is equal to 8. Here friend, solution. See, first step we have here LHS minus 2 x plus 3 is equal to 8. See, first step here. Step 1 is we have to divide minus 2 both sides. Now when we dividing minus 2 both sides, we are getting here, see, minus 2 will cancel. Here 2 1s are 2 4s are. Now remaining is x plus 3 is equal to minus 4. When we transposing plus 3 from LHS to RHS, we are getting here minus 4 minus 3. X is equal to minus 7. This is the solution. Here plus 3 I transfer from LHS to RHS. That when we transforming from LHS to RHS, that positive becoming as a negative. When we adding two negative integer, we are getting here again negative answer. Negative integer. To check this equation is satisfied or not. See, I am putting here x value in this equation. Minus 7 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now minus 2, when we doing the subtraction here, we are getting here minus 4 is equal to 8. Now minus into minus plus 4 into 2 is 8. LHS and RHS both are equal. Then we can say that this equation is satisfied because LHS and RHS both are equal. Solution to equation. Solution to equation. From solution to equation. Dear student, I solved here so many examples in exercise 4.2 and some examples also I solved here. In these all examples, I solved here only from equation to solution. Now, this point I want to show here how can we get the from solution to equation. Let us see one example here how we can get equation from the solution. See, first example I am taking here. Example. See, this is the solution. From this solution, we have to find out here equation. Okay, from this solution, we have to find out here equation. Now, m is equal to, this is the solution. I want to find out here equation. Now, multiply. First step is multiply 5 on both sides. On both sides. When we multiply 5 both sides, we are getting here 5m is equal 2 into 5 10. Okay, next step is adding 2 on both sides. On both sides. Okay, now when we add both sides 2, we are getting here 12. Okay, this is the equation. I solved here. From the solution, we got here equation. See, this is the solution. I multiplied here 5 on both sides. When we multiply 5 on both sides, we are getting here 5m is equal to 10. This is LHS, this is the RHS. Next, adding 2 on both sides. When we adding 2 on both sides, LHS side and RHS side, LHS side and RHS side, we are getting here 5m plus 2 is equal to 12. This is the equation. Okay, dear friend, we have to observe here when we solving from equation to solution, we are getting here only one answer. When you will solving from solution to equation, we will getting so many equations. Okay, dear friend, next I am taking here exercise 4.3. On the following equation, equations. First one, 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. First question here, 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Dear student, this is the LHS and this part is RHS. Let's see solution. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Dear student, when you shifting from LHS to RHS, this is becoming as a negative. Now 2y is equal to 37 by 2. When we shifting from LHS to RHS, that is becoming minus 5 by 2. Next 2y is equal, when we taking LCM, we are getting here LCM is 237 minus 5. When we doing the subtraction, we are getting here 2y is equal 32 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are. Now we are getting here 2y is equal 16. Okay, next step. See, when we divide 2 on both sides. On both sides. Now when we dividing 2y by 2 is equal 16 by 2. 2 will be cancelled here. 2 1s are 2 8s are, y is equal to 8. This is the solution. If you want to check this equation is satisfied or not, you put this equation, this y value in equation and you simplify. You will getting here LHS and RHS both are equal. If you getting both LHS and RHS both are equal, in that moment this equation is satisfied. Let's try the next time with the second problem. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Solution 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Now when we interchange, when we transposing from LHS to RHS, that is becoming as a negative. Now 5t is equal to 10 minus 20. Now 5t is equal, when we doing the subtraction here, we are getting here 18 minus 18. Now when we dividing by 5 both sides, when we dividing, we are getting here 5 will be cancelled, remaining t is equal to minus 18 by 5. This is the solution. Okay, here's the next problem. I am taking a third problem in exercise. Next third problem, a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Is equal to solution. A by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. A by 5 is equal to 2. When we shifting from LHS to RHS, that is becoming as a minus. A by 5 is equal to minus 1. If when we multiplying both side 5, we are getting here. When we multiplying both side 5 will be cancelled. Remaining a is equal minus into plus minus 5 into 1 is 5. A is equal minus 5. This is the solution. Next problem 4.1. Q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Now dear student, q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Let us see solution. solution. Q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. When we shifting from LHS to RHS, that is becoming as a minus 5 minus 7. Now Q by 4 is equal, when we doing the subtraction here, we are getting here minus 2. Next, we have to multiply here 4 on both sides. When we multiplying 4 on both sides, we are getting here minus 2 into 4. 4 will be cancelled. Here answer is Q is equal to minus 8. This is the solution. See, fifth one problem, 5 by 2x is equal to minus 5. See, this is the fifth one problem. Let us see, 5 by 2x is equal to minus 5. When let us see solution. Solution, 5 by 2x is equal to minus here. When we multiply 5 by 2x is equal to minus 5. Dear student, here we have to multiply 2 on both sides. Now 5 by 2x into 2 is equal to minus 5 into 2 will be cancelled here. We are getting here 5x is equal to minus into plus minus 5 to the 10. Now here also we have to divide here by 5 both sides. When we dividing 5 will be cancelled. 5 1s are 5 2s are. X is equal to minus 2. This is the solution. In this equation, now I am putting here x value in this equation. Minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Here 2 will be cancelled. Plus into minus, minus 5 is equal to minus 5. LHS and RHS both are equal. Then we can say that this equation is satisfied. Next I am taking here next problem in exercise 4.3. Here 5 by 2x plus 25 by 4. Now let us see, 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. Let us see solution. Just find here 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. When we shifting from LHS to RHS, this denominator going to as a numerator. See, 5 by 5x is equal to 25 into 2 by 4. By 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now 5x is equal to 25 by 2. When we 5 both sides, we are getting here 5x by 5 is equal to 25 by 2 into 5. Now 5 1s are 5 5s are. 5 will be cancelled here. X is equal to 5 by 2. This is the solution. Now, dear student, when we putting this x value in this equation, let us see, I am putting the x value in this equation. When we putting x value in this equation, now 25 by 4. Now 5 into 5 is 25. 2 into 2 is 4 is equal to 25 by 4. Equation is satisfied. LHS and RHS both are equal, but then we can say this equation is satisfied. Next time, take seventh problem in exercise 4.3. See, 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. Now, solution. Let us see solution. 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. When we shifting from LHS to RHS, that is becoming as a negative. Okay. Now 13 minus 19 by 2. 7m is equal, multiplying 13 into 2 are 26 minus 19 by 2. 7m is equal to 26 minus 19. We are getting here 7 by 2. When we dividing 7 both sides, then we are getting here 7m by 7 by 2 into 7. Here 7 will be cancelled. Here also 7 will be cancelled. Remaining is m is equal 1 by 2. This is the solution. 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. Solution. 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. Dear friends, when we shifting from LHS to RHS, that is positive integer becoming as a negative integer. Now I am shifting here plus 10 from LHS to RHS. Now 6z is equal to minus 2 minus 10. Okay, this is the LHS, this is the RHS. When we add it to negative integer, we are getting again negative integer. See, minus when we is shifting from LHS to RHS, this is the denominator here. Denominator is here 1, here also denominator is 1. When we shifting from LHS to RHS, that is becoming as a z is equal to minus 12 by 6. Dear student, as we discussed in decimal fraction problem, when cancelling negative number by a positive number, we have to divide first whole number. After that, we have to put the negative sign before the solution. Now 6 1s are 6 2s are, z is equal to minus 2. This is the solution. Okay, dear student, next problem I am taking here. Next 9th problem I am taking here. Let us see 9th problem in exercise 3.4. 3l by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Solution. See, 3l by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Dear friend, here see by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Dear friend, when we multiply 2 on both sides, 2l by 2 into 2 is equal to 2 by 3 into 2. 2 will be cancelled here. 3l is equal to 2 2s are 4 by 3. Now when we dividing by 3 both sides, now 3 will be cancelled here. L is equal to 4 by 9. This is the solution. 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Solution. Dear friend, this is the LHS, this is the RHS. Now 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. When we shifting from LHS to RHS, this 5 becoming as a positive 5. 3 plus 5. Now 2b by 3 is equal, when we add 3 plus 5, here 2b by 3 into 3 is equal to 8 into 3. 3 will be cancelled here. We are getting here 8 into 3 is 24 and 2b is equal to 24. Now when we dividing by 2 both sides, here we getting here 2 will be cancelled. 2 1s are 2 12s are 24. Next is equal to 12. This is the solution. For check this equation is satisfied or not, next I am putting this b value in the equation 1. 2 b value is 12 by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now when we multiply here, 12 into 3 is 12 into 2 are 24 by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Here 3 1s are 3 8s are 24. Now 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. When we are doing the subtraction here, 8 minus 5 is here 3. LHS or RHS both are equal. Then we can say this equation is satisfied. Dear student, in this class I solved exercise 4.3 first main. Tomorrow class I will solve exercise 4.3 remaining problems. Thank you.